Hey everybody, today I'm going to teach you how you can edit a PDF for free without having to pay for a PDF editor. To begin, you want to go ahead and go to LibreOffice.com and go to the Draw application. I'll put the link below for that where you can download that. You can get that on Windows, Linux, or Mac. So you're pretty much covered no matter what you're running on your computer. After you have the application, let me quickly pull up a demo here of how you can edit the PDF. Get the PDF you want to edit, and then right-click on that, and right-click on that document, and click Open with LibreOffice Draw, or alternatively, you can click File, Open, and then open the PDF through the File Explorer in the Open menu from the left here. After you do that, you will have the PDF open in vector editing mode, of where you can click any field here and type what you need to. So you can type in, Jane Doe, and then you can underline that, get rid of the rest of the text, and now you have that. So you just go ahead and click through every box and do whatever you need to do. Type the info that you need. If you get to a checkbox here, you can put in a different type of shape. If you wanted to, they have a check mark, they have a rectangle. Anything that you would need there, you could fill that in for that, and then you'd be good. Or you can even just do a quick X like that, is what I usually do on any form, and then you're good to go. Alrighty, if that helps you out, go ahead and leave a like, follow the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.